Hmm. So I woke up few minutes back. The time is somewhere around. Oh, I have to 13:03. I have stopped giving that time. I want to give the perfect time 13:03. Before that, I thought of like this will get stopped, but one day I took chances and it works. So now I came to know that I can see the time when I can give details, fill my case details. So, uh, uh, what do you call it? Look, scammers, you see what kind of plans they had to frame me. Go through the past, go through those events timing. That was the time when I was being framed for burning places. That was the time. Because sex videos didn't matter, nudes didn't matter to me, they knew it. So that was the time they were, uh, what do you call it? They were burning places. Look, nudes didn't matter. They are making nudes in my house. I go out, I pull them out in the prostitution, drop the email to the police that so and so guy came. So they are already in that thing. So nudes didn't matter. Only indoor nudes would have been there, then I would have been fucked. Only if indoor nudes would have been there, then I would have. Because in the prostitution racket, when nudes are made, who is there with a clone? Who is the third party there with a clone and hidden bugs? Now you see. So it's the best thing happened to me. And what do you call it? There was a time when they were burning places, planting my phone location. There were rumors around my house that this boy is burning places now. Check the location, see the location. I was like, they are making me a don now. Like, chalo, let's take this fall. Yes, yes, yes. And over that, they got too jealous of me. They got too jealous that he is taking all the fall and they are doing it. So Rickshawala's wife confessed it. She said out in the open, oh, her family did it. Her family has a criminal record in a Grant Road. Some criminal. She was mumbling in people. Our family. There has been some jails and all this stuff as well. So, and I was like, because I am in my house and phone location has been planted out and I am grabbing the surveillances. मेरे को क्या है मैं कुछ भी बोलूँ ठीक है नहीं बट व्हाट द एविडेंसेस इज वेयर आई एम इन माय हाउस समझा कुत्ते वाले कुत्तों को भौंकने दो समझा तो आई यूज टू रिकॉर्ड एविडेंसेस at every event and they used to plant my phone location there. They used to plant my phone location. Dead J7, stolen J7, which makes nudes and does the bank fraud, bank transaction, and this clone of this version. Then my mother's phone, they must have put on. You check for yourself. The clone which sold the data, that phone location was planted when my mother went to Pune. And they got the perfect fall for it. Who is that fuck? the one who is doing the identity fraud, where my clothes goes out, does what he is doing with the AI shit, outdoor as well in nudes. I didn't go every day. I'm not that Tarzan. Uh, uh, Whenever threat I used to get, I used to email and I used to go. Uh, See they are coming or not. So, threat of nudes. Uh, So, they got a perfect fall now. Who is that fuck? Who is that fuck? Who wears my clothes and does that stuff? Uh, Who went into the embassy? That's the same guy who burned places in Pune. They were trying to create a race rage as if Muslim community or Maharashtrian community and so other community. There were few deaths, casualties in this fire. So they were burning places and planting my phone location. Dead J7, stolen J7, and M02S. So when my mother went to Pune, the clone phone which sold the data, that phone was planted there. Now, how many clones are there? How would I know? In that fire, check the details. Because someone was the way over here, people are providing the scamsters are providing phone location to the entire the everyone that to portray me something. Same way it was done there too. This is a smaller version of framing. That was a casualty version of framing. People have died in that framing. They tried framing me. Anyways, so these are the look. The moment I gave these details, at the door, I cannot tell who it is. So, so this is a smaller version of framing. That was a larger version of framing. So one day I made reports. I kept all my stuff on record. Wherever the fire was happening, I was in my house. I was giving criminal reports. I was giving criminal details. Yeah. And they were showing the phone location J7, stolen J7, dead J7, and the M02S clone version, and my mother's phone in Pune. Now, how many clone phones are there of my devices? How would I know? How would I know? How many clone versions of me are there? How would I know? I can't tell. Who am I? Am I God to tell how many are there? Yes. In Pune, I found out that someone says that I am not Yogendra Nikade. That's the guy. So one of them says that I am not that guy. So that this matter is fucking hot case of the state. Hearing this, man? Hottest case of the state. You really think it's a copyright thing which is going to happen? Someone uses. They have reached till burning places in Maharashtra. 100 crore property has been damaged in Grand Road. Over that, someone takes a fall in it. Vanity kills, you know that. Someone takes a fall in it in Grant Road fire. Yeah. The more I say I did it, the more they'll do it. But I kept my evidences in the house that I am at my house giving reports. I mean, so fake bank account transaction was used because the more I'll say I did it, they'll do it. They'll continue doing it, and they went on doing it, and they reached till murders in framing me. And I twitched the game the moment I dropped my whereabouts, where I was. Mm. Then the framer got framed. And they also puked their crime of Grant Road. Mm. I know what has to be done in time, how to switch the game. Because it was done to frame me first, I'll tell you. It was done to frame me. I thought of like, let's jump into that trap. But I keep a backup of my whereabouts, where I was at during those burning places. They never saw it that I was doing that stuff. So I was taking fall and all this shit, and I was in I am doing it, I am doing it, and you know what happened? One day, they confessed they did it. Grand Road fire, and then that was the, and over that they, what do you call it? They gave some extra knowledge that OR family has gangster thing over there in Grant Road. I mean, jails have been there. So that rickshaw wala. So that's the thing. Those people have gone to jails and all. So she was proudly giving that. I was like, okay, let's do it. Let it happen, whatever is happening. So after some time, I directly gave this part. Look where I was and where the phone location is. Because I always kept a backup that I know. Look, I have to jump into that trap, then that should be an escape route. And one who jumps behind me, he should be trapped. So who jumped behind me? Rickshawala's family. And I came out the moment I gave my whereabouts. And they gave their criminal record. That there has been jails of OR family, murders, and now it's the burning places. So look, if you had to jump into that trap, then you need to know how to, what do your escape route. Otherwise, don't jump into that trap. The trap will set you up. Getting this word. So, clone version of me was doing that. My clothes were used, my clones were used, clone phones were used. That's the thing. Same like over here. They wanted a version of me who is highly technical, who is highly capable of doing it. Now, what do you call it? He is fucked for that crime. Burning places. highly capable in, what do you call it, claiming stuff. Claiming stuff. Claiming and highly capable in the conversion, the con. So, look, who went to the embassy? Who is still there? Now you know who is highly capable in con, who, in identity fraud, who is highly capable? Hmm? Uh, so they got one, and I got my escape. My escape route was long back. The moment I gave my whereabouts, it was finished. It was not me. It was a big twist in the end of Bombay. Fuck man, who is this guy? So, burning places. They were burning places.